know about this. Oh, till finally he too made it to the top of the mountain, and he too stopped and had a rest. I don't know if I can do this. I'm not sure I can keep going. I can barely breathe. Oh, but I'm not going to let that fake father take my son away from me. I'll do anything for my family. I'm not going to quit. Even if it kills me, I'm going to keep going no matter what. And he picked up the drum and he carried it back down the mountain. And they stood before the king. Bring the boy to me. And they brought the boy out of the drum. And he stood before the king. Tell me, my boy, what did the first father say at the top of the mountain? He said that he was broke. Oh, and that he was lonely, and that he wanted to have his own family. Yes, and what did the second father say? He said that he didn't want a fake father taking his son away from him, and that he would do anything for his family. Yes, that means that is the fake father. Guards, take him away. And Mangaling Green Beku cried out, no, I am discovered. And then he cried out, Cha! And he disappeared from sight, and they never heard from him again. And the real father and son were reunited at last. Thank goodness, thank goodness, thank goodness. The end. Thank you very much. Well, what a joy to share a story with you all on a beautiful Canada Day. Hey, the show's called Stories on Wheels. If you want to follow and see where we're going to be for the rest of the summer, Facebook.com/Stories on Wheels. You can follow us. A big thank you to the city of Burnaby. I'll do another story about 9 o'clock, so about 25 minutes, maybe half an hour from now, we'll get started on another story. You'll hear me using the Japanese hillshigi that you can hear way down the street. So when you hear this sound, there'll be another story starting. Thanks very much, and see you later, alligators!
Love you when the evening comes and it's the moon.